This contract, I purchased this contract for $13, right? A whopping $13, right? So I'm not thinking nothing of it. This contract, this little money, I ain't think it's gonna flip like that, right? Boom, a whole day worth of working in like 30 minutes, like 45 minutes, an hour. I don't know how long it took. I can't remember exactly, but I made that whole day worth of working in like split seconds on the app in my phone. A whole 1,000 in a week. This is a couple of days, and before we start, man, I want to give a big shout out to everybody who been rocking with the campaign. Y'all boys got me looking healthy, man. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms down below. You DM me, I'm gonna respond back. I ain't uppity. Drop your Cash App link down below, and I'm gonna pick a random person and I'm gonna be sending you your prize, man, because I want to give back to the people who gave to me. You feel me? With y'all time, y'all watch my videos. I got a lot of watch time off them videos. I appreciate you, my boy. Other than that, like I say, man, we gonna rock out. Woo! Yes, sir. I'm just vibing in the Ritz Carlton. It's your boy Crazy Man T, man. I'm coming back, man. You feel me? And I've been doing good, man, eating good, staying out the way. If you don't know who I am, man, I talk about a whole lot of swag, a whole lot of money moves, a whole lot of get the bag, stay out the way, love yourself situations, man. If you care for that type of stuff, man, make sure you drop a like, man, you sub and you subscribe. Cause it's gonna be a banger, man. It's gonna be heat, man. Come on, man. I need you to like the video cause this video gonna be fire, bruh. This video gonna be fire. Let me take you back, man. Let me take you back about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, man. Maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks. I'm gonna take you back about a month. I'm gonna take you back about a whole month into this thing, right? So I went and got this job, right? Real quick, cause I needed some check stubs, right? Cause I'm trying to get this other spot across town. I need some more check stubs, you know what I mean? Hey, we'll get into that later. I need these check stubs, so I go get this little crappy job real quick just to get the check stubs rolling in and get the spot, right? So I'm working with these guys, right? And that's when I very much started dabbling in stock trading, bro. Like, you know, changed my life. So basically, I'm at the job every day. I'm hating it. You know, it's cross town. I'm using all my gas to get there, but I still got a little bit of money in my pocket to play with, right? Because scared money don't make no money, right? I was just doing my research for the most part, man, on just little companies that I can get in on. Look, a lot of companies I was looking at actually cost a lot of money for the option and the trade itself. So I was thinking like, hey man, how can I grow an account from nothing? And I've been watching a lot of tutorials, listening to a lot of gurus saying they did this, they did that. It was just up to me to take that leap of faith, man, you know? So with that being said, I did some research, man. So this first company I'm gonna give you, man, that made me my first pretty penny, man, and got me into option trading was Alibaba. That thing went stupid, man. On this contract, I purchased this contract for $13, right? A whopping $13, right? So I'm not thinking nothing of it. This contract, this little money, I ain't think it's gonna flip like that, right? Boom. I kid you not. The contract ran up to $240. I believe this was a put. I think it was like a 112 put. No, it was I see right here. It was a 111 call, right? It was a 111 call. So it was a 111 call, right? As you can see in the top of the screen, it was a 111 call, right? So it was sitting roughly maybe like 100, maybe 100, maybe 199, something like that, right? So I put a call in for it to go to 111, right? So I'm watching it go crazy in my phone. It's up $227. That's 1,000%. I'm cashing out. I'm stoked. I'm cashing out. Boom, I hit this ticket, man. Cashed out. Boom, it's in my pocket, man. Listen, man. So we up now, right? I'm up now, right? I'm having fun. Damn, this shit just changed my life. I just made my whole day worth of working in like 30 minutes, like 45 minutes, an hour. I don't know how long it took. I can't remember exactly, but I made that whole day worth of working in like split seconds on the app in my phone. You feel what I'm saying? So it just changed my whole perspective. So now I'm really hungry. I'm down, bro. How can I keep flipping this money real quick? Is there another trade that I can get into? How do I keep it moving? Right. So boom, that leads me to my next trade. My next trade, this was AMD. This is my baby. Y'all know I've been rocking with AMD for a minute. This is when I really got into like the tech world and to see who has I started rocking with AMD because I have a computer. I have a lot of you know, that's my essentials and whatnot. And they produce a lot of computer chips. I got all type of monitors and whatnot. So it's like, hey, why not? Boom. So I purchased this 114 card for $59. You feel what I'm saying? So this $59, you know what I mean? $59 easily turned into $219 in your face. Bam. $59. I'm on a streak. I'm broke. I must be hot. It can't just be me. Either I'm getting lucky or like, bro, I know what I'm doing. I could see the future. I got that vision. You got that vision. You can make that flip. I'm telling you, it's possible. And that contract was up 371%. So I doubled my money again. I can't even be mad. I doubled my money. I'm on a roll, man. Hot streak, man. I got the hand, man. Buy out. You feel me? And on this last call, I kind of risked a little bit more money just to get to the dollar amount. You feel me? I risked $305 to make $453. That was only a $48% return, but I had to get it while I got it, and that was on Reviving. That was a $38 put. You feel me? That was a company. Remember I told you I went and got the job, right? The guys, they were kind of like off-road type guys, so they told me about Reviving. Reviving is basically like an EV truck company. And when he told me about it, I did a lot of research, and I caught them as they were going down. They had hit their like 52-week low, I want to say. It was like $36 or something like that. So I jumped in, rode that thing all the way till I felt like was a good percent for me, and I pulled my money out. Yes, I know. If you did the math on that, it did not equal up to 1,000. But let's be real. Does $958 sound better? Oh, $971 sound better than $1,000? I think not. But if we round it up, we're gonna call it 1,000. You feel what I'm saying? I made a whole 1,000 in a week. This is a couple of days, and the contracts are all set to expire on Friday. And on Robinhood, you only get 4 day trades before they take your account down. I did it in 3. So listen, man, you hear the metrics, man. You feel what I'm saying? So you hear the metrics. So what you want to do is, man, if you need a trading group to sign up for, man, it's a lot of trading groups I'm gonna be going over in the next couple of video postings, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, I can lead you to the MULA membership. If you're a young guy, need to get your money right, try to start out small, bro. Like, you could play big, but playing big, you could lose big too. So risk this little money to win some big money, man, or some decent money, like money that you could work for, man. You could make that in your phone on the app. I'm telling you, man, this digital money gonna change the world. You dig? But that was just my little quick story time on how I flipped $13, bro. I got busy with the $13. Don't tell me I ain't no hustler, boy. I know how to read them graphs, and I know how to get it popping. You know, I'm not gonna even say you gotta be like a math fanatic to know this type of stuff, because I wasn't necessarily no math student. You know, I liked it like other culture. I like the other languages and stuff like I like the other subjects. You feel what I'm saying? I like the other subjects. But if you did like this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before I come through the screen and have to slap you up, you feel me? Because I need mine, you feel me? You getting yours, I need mine, you feel me? Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, man. It's your boy Crazy Man T, man. I'm telling you, I'm out this thing. Yeah. Yeah.